I am grateful for the gift of life and all the wonderful opportunities I've been afforded. I am grateful for God opening my eyes and giving me another day to breathe. I am grateful for the opportunity to seize each day with optimism. I am grateful for being alive and experiencing the joys of life. I am grateful for the opportunity to learn, grow, and expand myself. I am blessed. I am living the best version of myself. My life is full of wealth and blessings. I am grateful for all that I am and all that I have. Each day holds many unique blessings for me to embody, experience, and explore my life. I am living a life of purpose and happiness. Each day, I will align myself with joy, peace, and prosperity. I am using my wealth to bless myself and others. I am grateful to this beautiful planet and will do what I can to keep it clean and healthy. I am thankful for my home and I will do everything I can to fill it with love, peace, and happiness. I am grateful for the family that I have and strive to maintain harmonious, loving relationships. I am grateful for the friends I have in my life and look to add new ones when I can. I am grateful for the generosity I receive from others. I am thankful for the comfort I receive from my loving pets. Continue to listen to these 17 affirmations daily. The power of positive thinking will change your life.